Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you are fine. I hope you are good. Welcome back to class this morning. So, today is 4th of January 2022. Can you repeat after me? Today is 4th of January 2022. So, this morning we are going to be doing our math, okay? And we are going to be doing revision on addition. We did addition before in the classroom, so now we are going to do a review of addition. Okay, so here we have our addition sign. If you look at this, my screen, you will see the addition sign. The addition sign here, it comes as a cross. So whenever you see a cross, know that we are going to add two numbers together. Okay, now let's see the learning objectives. Our learning objectives today will be, by the end of today's lesson, you should know what addition means. You should know the meaning of addition. Okay, you should also know how to count more than one object. Okay, and also know how to add two single-digit numbers together. So this is what we are going to learn. You are going to know after today's lesson. So here, when you look at my screen, can you tell me what you see? Yes, we have cookies. We have the round cookies and we have the heart cookies. Okay, so do you know that when you add two numbers together, you get a bigger number? Whenever you add two numbers together, you always get a bigger number that is bigger than the two numbers you added. Okay, let's go. I'll show you an example. So here we have the round cookies and the heart cookies. So let's try to count them together. Everyone, I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, right? Yes. The total number of cookies we have is 7. Is 7 bigger than 3? Yes, of course, 7 is bigger than 3. Is 7 bigger than 4? Yes, 7 is bigger than 4. Amazing. So now you know that whenever we add two numbers together, we always get a bigger number. Okay? So here I told you before that we have our plus sign as addition. Whenever you see a plus sign here, whenever you see a plus sign, it means that we are going to add two numbers together. Plus means adding two numbers together. When you see the plus sign, it also means adding two numbers together. The both of them means addition. Everyone, can you say addition? Yes, whenever you see a plus sign, just remember in your head that we are going to add two numbers together. Okay? So here, let's talk about the equal sign. Do you know what equal sign means? This sign here. Can you see it? This one. The equal sign helps to show the total. When you add 3 and 4, this is the equal sign. It shows the total number of what you got. So equal number shows the total number of what you got. So always remember that equals means total. Equals means total. Okay? Now we have different ways of counting. We have different ways of counting. I know some people in my class who count using their hands. I know some people in my class who count using their head. I know some people in my class who count using the objects, and I know some of them who count using the number line. Okay, so I know some of you, when I tell you, okay, 2 plus 2, you bring out your hands, you count 1, 2, 1, 2. Miss Esther, the answer is 4 because you used your hands. And some will tell me, will check with their head, 2 plus 2, 4. Miss Esther, the answer is 4 using their head. And some of you would like to take a paper and pencil and count 1, 2, 1, 2, count them together and write your answer. And some of you will still use the number line. So here we have different way of counting. We can count with our heads. We can think, count with our head. We can count with objects. We can count with number line. Of course, we did number line in class, and I know all of you still remembered how to use our number line. Okay, so here we have an exercise. We are going to count and write the answers. Okay, count and write the answers. So who can tell me what sign is this? Who can tell me what sign is this? I said it before. The addition sign, the plus sign. So what are we going to do here? I told you that whenever we see this sign, it means we are going to add numbers together. And who can still tell me what is this? Equals. This is equals. This is plus sign. This is equals. So remember, I told you that whenever you see equals, it shows total. Okay, so we are going to add the numbers together and know what the answers are. Okay, so let's count the first one. Let's count the flowers. Everyone, I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are we going to write here? We are going to write the number 4. Okay, let's count the chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We write the number 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We write the number 8. Of course, I know that you can count numbers together and you know how to write your answers in a very normal way. Okay, how to form the letters in the proper way. Okay, so we'll go over to the next one, which will be our classwork. This is our activity. Okay, so I'm going to send you a picture of this. You will do this and send back to me. Okay, you will do it and send back to me. So this will be our classwork. Do it and send it